Hello and welcome to my channel, Presentation Skills, where we take your PowerPoint presentations to the next level. In this exciting tutorial, we'll dive deep into the world of dinosaurs as we bring Jurassic World to life through jaw-dropping 3D animation. Get ready to unleash the might of a running T-Rex and the awe-inspiring flight of Pterosaurs, all against the breathtaking backdrop of a majestic mountain. Buckle up for an adventure like never before as we teach you how to create a professional and captivating Jurassic World presentation in PowerPoint. First, let's set the scene with a stunning video of a majestic mountain range as our background. Learn how to insert a video seamlessly into your presentation to create an immersive experience for your audience. Please follow these simple steps to create this visually stunning presentation. First, navigate to the Insert tab and click on Video. From the options provided, select this device. Proceed to choose the video you wish to include from the system, and then click on Insert. Next, move to the Playback tab. From the Start drop-down, choose the option in Click Sequence. Check the box labeled Loop until Stop for continuous playback. Now, access the Animation tab and open the Animation pane. Right-click on the video and choose Start with Previous to play the video as soon as you enter the presentation mode. Upon entering presentation mode, you will observe the video playing seamlessly on the slide. Let's introduce the star of the show, the mighty T-Rex. We'll show you how to incorporate a realistic 3D model of the T-Rex into your presentation and make it come to life with impressive running animation. Now again, we'll navigate to the Insert tab. Proceed to the 3D Models section and select Stock 3D Models. Click on All Animated Models, then choose the T-Rex 3D model and click on Insert. Choose the left view of the 3D model from 3D Model Views menu. Adjust its width to 9 inches, while the height will be automatically adjusted. Utilize the Align option to position the model to the left and bottom of the slide. For animation, set a duration of 7 minutes and, once again, right-click on Animation and select Start with Previous. In presentation mode, the 3D model will function efficiently. But let's not stop the adventure here. Let's take to the skies as we bring flying pterosaurs into the mix. Learn how to add these incredible creatures to your presentation and animate their flight gracefully through the prehistoric skies. Hence, return to the Insert tab. Repeat the steps to access 3D models and stock 3D models. Choose the Flying Pterosaurs option, and click on Insert. Configure the 3D model's position by selecting the left direction from 3D Model Views menu. Adjust its width to 4.5 inches, while the height will be automatically adjusted. Utilize the Align option to position the model to the top and right of the slide. If you wish to relocate the model, hold the Shift key and drag it to the desired location like this. Hold your breath. Now comes the magic of synchronization. Discover the secrets to play all elements, the running T-Rex, soaring pterosaurs, and the mesmerizing background video, simultaneously, creating a seamless and professional presentation that will leave you in awe. Congratulations! You've just mastered the art of creating a mind-blowing Jurassic World 3D animation in PowerPoint. With your newfound skills, you can captivate any audience and take them on extraordinary journeys through your presentations. So, go ahead and unleash your creativity, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Presentation Skills, for more exciting tutorials to make your presentation stand out.